What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. I finally got out of work today with enough time to still have daylight and get the oil converted over from the Shell Rotella to the AMSOIL product that we have here at the house. So that is what we are gonna do. We are going to start by getting this engine flush poured in, and then I think we have to let the engine run for like 10-15 minutes, something like that, and then we crack the filter, take it off, just like a regular oil change. You go right through those same steps, pull your drain plug and let it drain and get all that crap that the engine flush breaks loose from inside the engine. Let all that stuff drain right out of there, and then go ahead, put it all back together. Dump in your new oil because your truck will be nice and thirsty for that good fresh stuff, and then we're done, we're rolling, we're on our way. Remember, I always have the link down in the description for 25% off of AMSOIL products. If you want to get hooked up with AMSOIL stuff for your truck, go check out that link, and there is contact info there for Adrian, who can answer any and every question that you have on these products. If you're a little on the fence and you want to know a little bit more about certain stuff before you put it in your truck, then go down into my description, find his info, should be right towards the top of it, and there's his phone number, his email, his Instagram. Hit him up on any of those three and he will take care of you. I also got some stuff for the fuel filter housing because we sprung a pretty decent fuel leak, and I am noticing quite the little puddle under the truck after I just pull over, stop, and let the truck idle for a few. It is dripping and coming out of what looks to be the filter housing cap, or like towards the back of it, towards the firewall, and also out of that damn little drain valve that's on the fuel filter housing. That stupid thing, man, it is the worst design. So what I did for right now is I got a couple of O-ring kits. I'm gonna pull that drain valve right off the stock fuel filter housing, see if we can't replace the O-rings and just get a better seal and a better fit in there. And then I also bought a new cap for the filter housing along with a new fuel filter. So I'm gonna put all that stuff on there. Hopefully that will straighten it out and take care of it. Today the focus is to get this engine flush poured into the truck right now. Turn the truck on, let it run for 10-15 minutes while I eat my Chipotle for dinner. By the way, chorizo from Chipotle, if you guys never had it, that stuff will literally make you cream yourself. It is so damn good. But that is what I'm gonna do, get this stuff going, cycling through the engine, and then we're gonna get it all drained and refill it. Let go. I'm telling you guys, it is orgasmic. Well guys, I have 3 more quarts to dump into this, and she is all filled up. We ran the flush through, so I guess I don't know exactly what it did, how it worked, how well it worked. After running the engine, I let it idle for 15 minutes and then I shut it down, just like the bottle said, 10 to 15 minutes. So I guess we will find out when we send this Shell Rotella oil out for an oil analysis. If they tell me that they found a bunch of crap in it, then we'll know that the AMSOIL engine and transmission flush definitely worked and does what it says it's going to do. But until then, I unfortunately have no way of telling. So I have all my old oil right there in the catch pan. I'm gonna pull some of that out and get it into a bottle so that I can take it somewhere and get it analyzed and keep those results somewhere safe until we cycle this AMSOIL all the way through through, and then we will get this analyzed and we will compare the two at that point in time to see which analysis was better. Anybody who's curious as to what I'm putting in the truck as far as oil, I am using the AMSOIL 100% synthetic diesel oil, heavy duty protection, 4 times more wear protection, and it is the 540 because we are going into the colder winter months here in New York. So we are dropping down from a 1540 to the 540 in preparation for winter. And I think next time we will go obviously with another 540 because I will need to change this again during the winter months, but I don't know, we might do a different style of their oil. Right now the thought behind this one is because I just ran that engine flush kit in the engine that is supposed to break up any sludge and deposits and things of that nature. The thought behind this is to run it at the factory drain interval and then get it drained out sooner than later, rather than doing like a 15,000 mile oil. We want to drain this out sooner in case there's any leftover debris floating around in there. We get that drained out and cycled through faster, and then we can go and put one of their higher line oils in there after we get this factory drain interval done out of the way with this stuff. And I don't want you guys getting misled or confused by what I just said. I don't want you thinking that this is a bad oil. This is just their factory interval, their factory drain cycle oil. They have other oils that are meant for longer drain intervals, but I wasn't gonna run that in my truck now after doing the flush kit because we're trying to clean out the inside of the engine a little bit, so we have a fresh clean slate to run these AMSOIL products and really try and get the full effect of them. So all their stuff is good, they just have different drain intervals to them, and that's why we're going with the lowest drain interval for right now. I'm gonna wrap the oil change video up here though because I need to get into the fuel filter housing, get the cap changed, and pull the little drain valve off to see if I can't swap the O-rings on that. So that will be in another video. I was gonna do that in this video, but I want to do it separately so that the video isn't getting too long. So we'll keep these two things separate and do 2 videos for it. Just more content for you guys. Oh yeah. I know I already said this in the beginning, but I'm serious. Don't forget to check out that 25% off link in the description for AMSOIL products so you can get your truck filled up with it if you choose to do so, and hit up Adrian with any questions you have. He will get them answered for you and make sure that you are taken care of. All that information down below in the description. You know where to find it. Links to all tools, parts, anything that I use here at the garage or on the truck, that's also down there. Don't forget to check those out. Click on them. It'll take you right to whatever you are looking for. And then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, baby. Today is my kid's first birthday and I am out here pumping out this content for you, getting the oil changed, making sure you got something to watch. So I am gonna wrap this up. So make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button for me before you go. If you are new, you just found the channel, you're checking it out for the first time, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video, and you will see some stuff with the fuel filter housing. See ya.